I will explain on how to just customize your Microsoft Excel worksheet or workspace. I want to just explain it to you that you can design it, you can just configure it on your own to your own taste. So now, how are you going to do it? Look at it now. Let's look at this particular place. This is what? When you take your mouse to this part, is this undo, this is redo, and all this kind of thing help whenever you are just what working in Microsoft Excel. Now look at this particular place. This one is save, and this is the icon used to represent save in the document. When you are using your mouse to just once you use your mouse to click it, whatever you are doing, it helps you to just save what you have been doing on the Excel. So if I want to just add some other things here so that it will be like a shortcut for me, I will have to just come to this down arrow key and click on it. So although the one that was there was the one that is being marked, so if I want to just add this email, I will just add it to it, and this is email. So if I need to add another more, I can just add. So if it's something that I like a quick print, so instead of just going to that of my file and the print from this particular, clicking on printing here, all I have to do is what, just click on that word quick print, and anything that I want to just add it, I can add it through this place. These are one of the way whereby you can customize your Microsoft Excel. Now let's talk about this particular. Also, I can also come to this place now and say that I want to just remove on and off this particular, so to hide it, hiding or just on hide of this particular this formula bar. So I can just come to the view. I'll just go to the view, click on the view, then you see that it is being marked. If I want to just hide it, I'll just remove that the mark, and you see that it has hide it. So these are the area whereby you can use to just customize your own Microsoft Excel. Then I can see just mark it bar, since that I always make use of it. So now if I want to just increase this particular space there, reduce the formula bar, I can just come here and move it, shift it to anywhere I want, and if I want it to be back, you shift it back. So these are the different way you can customize your Microsoft Excel workspace.